Have you ever wondered how plants make their food? How do they survive without heading to the grocery store or ordering takeout? Well, sit tight, because today we're embarking on an incredible journey to unlock the secrets of photosynthesis, the process that helps plants feed themselves. Imagine being able to whip up a delicious meal using just sunlight, water, and air. Sounds like a magic trick, right? But for plants, it's just another day in the life. They have a special power that lets them convert sunlight into food, and this power is called photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis might sound like a mouthful, but it's actually pretty simple when you break it down. Photo means light, and synthesis means putting together. So photosynthesis is all about using light to put things together. In the case of plants, it's about putting together food. Now, let's dive into how this magic happens. Every plant has tiny structures called chloroplasts in their leaves. These chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. This is why plants are green. The chlorophyll is the magician that performs the trick of photosynthesis. It takes in sunlight and uses it as energy. But sunlight isn't enough. The plant also needs water and carbon dioxide. The roots of the plant absorb water from the ground, and the leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air. With these ingredients, the chlorophyll works its magic, using sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into glucose, which is a type of sugar, and oxygen. Glucose is like the plant's food. It helps the plant grow and gives it energy to carry out all its plant duties. The oxygen, on the other hand, is a kind of byproduct which the plant releases back into the air. And that's a great thing for us because we humans and all animals need oxygen to breathe and live. So to sum it up, photosynthesis is a process where plants take in sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, and with the help of chlorophyll, they transform these into glucose and oxygen. They use the glucose for growth and energy, and release the oxygen back into the air for us to breathe. Isn't that amazing? The next time you see a plant, remember the incredible magic trick it's performing right in front of your eyes. Photosynthesis is not just a process. It's a life-sustaining cycle that connects all living things on Earth. So thank the plants for the air you breathe and for performing this magical, life-giving process every single day.